Okay, everybody, I'm going to share cloud hands and the transition out of cloud hands. I'll do it in both directions. Okay. So this is how it would be if we were practicing together. Draw in, gaze over my left shoulder, sink down. Cradle, strike with right elbow, left hand, turn, just, pat down and strike. Lever the hand, fist, back fist. Left elbow, right hand, catch, strike, strike. Adjust, open the body. Turn. Sit back and adjust. Open the body. Turn. Lever. Keep the lower hand fixed. Adjust. Dragon swallows pearl, spits pearl out, white mouth, turn, pat down, strike, back fist, fingers, sit back, open, dragon gathers, open the body, gather all the energy in, spit out pearl, white mouth, turn and strike, open, sit back. One last time, dragon opens its mouth, swallows the pearl, spits the pearl out, wipes the mouth, energy down into the foot, bounce it out, crescent, open heart, sink down, strike, back fist, open, spiral in, open out. Right, now I'll try it from the facing you so you can see my hands. Draw the energy in, look over left shoulder, asking star. Connect with the asking star. Draw in. Cradle. Strike elbow, strike back fist, catch, sink, strike, open, cradle, strike elbow, strike back fist, catch, make gentle fist, yin, kai, her, kai, cradle again, keep the lower hand anchored, turn, strike, Draw in, open, spit, catch, strike, back fist, bending, straightening, wiping, catching, striking, back fist, pendulum forward. One last time. Draw in, open, draw in, spit the pearl, wipe the mouth, sink down through the right channel, bounce over your head, open here, turn the left foot, pat down, strike, back fist, spiral in, spiral out. Let me just show this last section right toward the computer. Wiping over the head. So as this opens here, that turns my back foot, sink down, back fist, draw in, bend, and straighten. The right hand on the right channel. The elbow's outside the channel. We're going to go into the next thing, a high pat. Okay, that's it. Thank you.